Hey baby, this is what you see from the main door. The lot needs to be cleaned up. I guess it's a trip for you to come. Fence needs to be redone, but it has a porch all around the house. Okay, absolutely all around the house up to here. Look at the lot. So going back, it has enough space for anything that you can park in here. The boat, the shop, the RV, whatever you want. Look at this. Look at these beautiful, gorgeous trees. And here it is, a job for Miss Baby. There's a door there with a kitchen and a garage, and it's still space to park the boat. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and once I come inside, you're gonna see, well, this is what you see. Okay, stairs on the left. Okay, and this side is straightforward the living room. And if you come to this side, this is the dining room. Okay, I don't know how high the ceilings are. This looks like a nice flooring. Kitchen going this way. Okay, so this is the kitchen, the cabinets. Not in a bad shape, really. Not the best. Appliances can be useful. No refrigerator, pots and pans in here. This needs some help, but I guess with Joey, can be pretty good down the road, and cleaning and changing these faucets, you know, and things like that. So this is like a little auxiliary space for a table, and this is what you see from here all the way. So if we go this way, we